Come on, Eli, hit that. Swing the bat, Eli. Eli, you're not even trying. All right, Eli, let somebody else bat. Seriously. Eli, what the heck, dude? Freaking step into it and freaking hit that thing. Swing. Dude. Swing, dude. Dude. Swing the bat, Eli. Swing, Eli. What are you doing? Swing. Dude, he's not even trying. Dude, that's pathetic, Eli. You gotta be shitting me. Just throw it at him.
Holy crap, that's so funny, dude.
I'm embarrassed to even play with him.
Yeah, Eli, you've been being really funny this week. You make a lot of good jokes. When you you fell out of the ice cream cart, and then when I was hitting you with the ball, baseballs, you've been making good jokes. The way that you let the ball hit you when I threw it at you was so funny, dude. You're the funniest. Dude, you should do stand-up or something. When you were trying to ski with us in Colorado and you fell and twisted your ankle.
Yeah, when you guys went up the mountain without me and just left me at the bottom and I didn't even get to
you are
ski.
so funny.
Dude, it was so funny when you threw up on the boat with Black Tip that one time.
Oh my God. Here, Cole. Open up. Yeah. Got it?
One bite all the way down the throat. Can you catch a banana in your mouth? Hey, look, it just goes. Oh, perfect. A ramp into the pool. That one's waterproof, dude. You're good.
Yeah, I think so too.
Try again, try again. This is crap, dude. Cheap China crap. Never works like it's supposed to. It's not supposed to work like that. You ever shot before?
Yeah.
You like to do it?
I don't see the point.
I just do it just in case there's like just in case our government becomes tyrannical.
Yeah, just in case the government becomes a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
You guys want to bruise these bananas with me? Ice cream! Get your ice cream! Ice cream! Yes, you boy! I'll take everything you got! It's fine, dude. I have a fat friend. What, are you Amish right now? Is it?
Whole Foods! Oh my gosh. Well, you can't even buy half a sandwich because it's Whole Foods.
Cole, I just love that you're willing to say anything, no matter how dumb it is.
Oh, shut up.
No matter how stupid.
Yeah. And expect people to think it's funny. Like, well, thank you, Russ.
You're welcome. It's such a backhanded compliment, but Cole's just like, thank you. I wasn't paying attention to you.
What just happened?
JJ was trying to like get my attention and I wasn't looking and like.
So he just screamed.
I was dropping off. And then he wasn't looking at me. I went, ah! That was really funny.
Get back in there. Get back.
Get him, Dad. Get him.
Bend over.
Spank him in public. My friend Garrett used to do that and he'd bend me over his knee and spank me in public.
Seriously?
That's hard.
And I'd be like,
Dad, no.
yeah. We'd like role play that.
Taser face. Oh. You alright, bro? You alright? Dang, man. Oh, dang.
Oh my God, dude! Is the cooler okay? Ow, dude.
Yeah, I know,
I'm sorry, that sucks. But it was funny.
I can't.
Open your mouth.
I can't.
Open, don't talk. My man just went down his throat. He's like, oh.
And like when she put my gold tooth in, it was like it never really fit right. I don't trust no doctor. So I stopped mine in the middle of grinding my tooth and said, hey, I was like, you're pushing too hard on that thing. I can feel the pressure difference. Like when you're mad and you're grinding on my tooth. Yeah. I was like, I can feel the difference when you. She's like, when you feel the pushing, it's because it's like drilling and breaking your tooth. I'm like, no, I feel the difference of when you're like doing it with force because you're pissed. So calm down a little bit. I don't know all my exact words, but like me and her pretty much was like about to square up. Yeah, we were like face to face. Then I lay back down. She puts her weapons in my mouth. I'm like,
What's this one? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Everybody's just watching. Oh, he found it. We're still doing it right now. That one is directly in his sight. He's got to see that one. He's just following him back.
Anything good?
Yeah, quarter, couple top cap. Usually find one ring on a trip. Hard to do today because you can't get out in the water. It's too cold for me.
Did you find a ring?
Not yet today. Earlier this fall, I found 2 of them. It's been 2 days and I found like 35 cents so far.
Nice. Well, good luck, man.
Hey, thank you.
Have fun.
No.
I literally watched him pick up a wedding ring.
I know it.
I bet he's scared that like somebody actually dropped their wedding ring.
Yeah,
And he doesn't want
he
He doesn't want to give it up. He doesn't want to give it up because you're asking him to
I
find
just
two
told
of them,
JJ
bro.
that,
2 of them.